I'm just going to show you how you can create some interesting frames using designs that ostensibly are like for use for textures. Now these are EPS designs available on the Graphic Extras website. So first thing to do, just go to File and Place Embedded, and I'm just going to select one of the designs. Now these are stone and texture designs. I'm going to go and select this one. Now EPS designs, they can be any size, so you can use it 4000 by 4000, 2000 by 2000, use them as brushes and much more. So I'm just going to use them as a frame in this one, so place. So now just resize it, just resize that there, and just move that there. Now obviously at the moment it doesn't particularly look much like a frame. Well, you can create a sort of middle section there very quickly using layer masks. And now just going to go and make sure you've got that layer selected and go to a layer and a layer mask and reveal all. Then you'll just get a little mask there. Okay, what you need to do now, you could of course use a shape and maybe blur that, so on and so on. But I'm going to use gradients. Just going to select the gradient tool, make sure you've got that selected, and then just go to the gradient editor. And now to get a nice, fairly well defined white in the area there for the transparency, obviously looking through to the background, or I should say brown in this case, could be white, could be obviously an image, so much more. But the key thing here is to have mainly black over this side and then some white there, and the transparency obviously is a slight blurring, so you can obviously vary that. But I'm just going to go there, click OK. I'm going to use the radial option and just drag from the centre. Doesn't have to be the centre, of course, but see, go too far, you can see it's gone over there. I don't want it particularly that much. I'm just going to just go close to the edge, and there you've got a nice sort of central one that looks through now to the background. So if I actually go down, just quickly show something, background, there you can see the background's got something. You can see through and see the actual background. Right. Now once you've actually got that, you can of course move it. You don't have to keep it there. It's a design that you can, and of course you can resize as well. Just resize that. Still a vector design. It can be any size. And what you can also do, rotate it, move it around, change that. Maybe also you can duplicate the layer. So the layer will have the same layer mask, just select there, and you can create far more complex design. So you can just drag that across. You've got three now with that centre. Maybe make it, that one's a bit, right. So you can actually see the centre. And of course you can rotate that as well. You don't have to keep them in the same position. Rotate that. And also, if you want to colour it, maybe make it slightly more exciting than just these, you can actually just quickly go to Layer and Layer Style and something like Colour Overlay. Of course, could use a gradient, but I'm just going to go for another colour. Green, bright green, and then you've got the nice frame design very quickly. I say any image can be put in the middle, and if you want, you just select those and then go to a layer and Smart Objects, convert to Smart Object, and the whole thing's a one design that can of course be then modified as well. Right, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.